Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up and slow down the voice when you're listening to an audiobook on the Audible mobile app. And in this video I'm using an iPhone, but it's the exact same on Android. And if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. So I'm on the app right now, I've logged into Audible. When you want to start listening to an audiobook, go down to Library on the bottom section. And then I'm going to select the first option right here. And it brings up the audiobook section at the bottom. Click in there, and then from there on the bottom left of the screen of the listening page it says 1.0x speed. Press in there, and basically if you want to either speed it up or down, move the slider. It goes all the way down to 0.5x, or you can move the slider all the way up to 3.5x speed. From there, you can also basically tap on the plus or the minus sign. When you tap on the minus, it's going to move it down by 0.05x speed. And if you tap on the plus, it's going to move it up by 0.05x speed as well. Also, Audible actually gives us a bunch of different options on the bottom row. For changing the speed a lot faster, you can press on 2x speed or 0.0. And that's essentially how to change the speed of your audiobook voice on Audible. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.